As you guys see on the passenger side, the quarter panel and the passenger side door was all wrapped in that Inozeteck sandstorm color, contrasting it with a gloss wrap roof and the carbon fiber fenders that he's got going on both sides of the build. This is a 10-13 Camaro Gen 5 owner. Something really cool that he did with us is he converted from the 10-13 to the 14-15 Umbra taillights. So yes, it is possible for the 10-13 Camaro owners. We do make a custom harness to fit this OEM harness. We will be going and doing a how to install and how to convert the 10-13 to our Umbra or Velux taillights, and I cannot wait to show you guys that complete conversion. All right guys, as you can see, this build major parts will be only both sides of the quarter panel doors, the front and rear bumper. Everything else is carbon fiber on this build. Therefore, we're gonna go ahead and just complete the components and the panels our client requested to do. We're super excited. We're gonna be contrasting with some gloss black 3M 2080 as well. I can't wait to show you guys this complete build when it's all done.